Hello everyone, this is the last part of Unit 4 operator in Java. In this previous video, we will discuss about the different type of operator, expression, arithmetic, and different type of arithmetic operator. Also related the question of unary, binary, and ternary, and the relational operator. Today we will discuss the last topic of the operator, that is logical operator and different type of logical operator. So let's start the video. So, this is the logical operator. What is the use of logical operator? Logical operator, that means it based on the logic and it gives the result in the form of true or false. It gives the result in the form of only true or false, or the result is depend on the condition, depend upon the condition. If the condition is satisfied, so the result is true. If the condition is not satisfied, so the result is false. It's give only two values, that is true or false. So let's see the different type of logical operators. So here is a types of our logical operator. So there is a three type of logical operator: first, second, and third. So the first one is and that means AND operator. The symbol of AND operator is double AND operator, double AND, that is the symbol of this AND operator. Second one is OR. This is two slash double slash sign, or two parallel line, that is called two parallel line of OR operator, and this is the NOT sign for the NOT operator. So let's start the first type of AND operator. Here, what is the AND operator? This is called logical AND operator. The sign of AND operator is two AND sign. Here, what is the logical AND? In that logical AND, there is two input or two condition. This is the first input and this is the second input or condition. If the all condition is true, if all condition is true, all condition is true, all that means both two condition is true, then result is true. So let's check if both condition is true. So first condition is false, second condition is false, so the result is false, because what it said that if all condition is true, so the result is true. Next one is, first one is false, second one is true, so result is again false, because it is compulsory to true both value. Next one is, first is true, second one is false, again it is false, because it is compulsory to true both value. And the last one, here there is both value is true, both value true, it satisfied this condition, so the answer of that is true. Answer of that is true. If both condition, both input are true, the result is true. So let's see the question related to the logical AND. Here is the question related to the logical AND. So what is the result of that question? This is the first condition. This is the second condition. First condition and second condition. So what is the output of that? So firstly put the value 9 greater than 7 and 19 greater than 7, then 19 greater than 18. Is that first condition is true or false? So check 19 greater than 7. Yes, 19 is always greater than 7, so it is a true. Put and 19 greater than 18. It is a true or false? So it is a true. Both are true. Here the both value is true, then result is true. So the result of this question is true. So the answer of this question is true. This is the question related to the logical AND. So the next type of logical operator is, that is OR operator. So we check the OR operator, that is logical OR. What is the logical OR operator? The logical OR operator, that means if all condition is false, so the result is false. It is opposite to the logical AND operator. In the logical AND, what is the result? If the result is true, then result is, if the condition is true, both result is true. But in the logical OR, if the all condition is false, so the result is false. That means if any condition is true, if any condition is true, so the result is true. So the result is true. So let's check. First one is false, second one is false. The result is false. Next, first one is false, second one is true. So what is the statement? Statement is that if all condition is false, but this is one is true, not all is false. If any one is true, the result is true. So the result is true. Next one is, if this is the true and this is the false. If any one is true, so the result is true. Next, both are true, so the result is also true. Here is the question related to the logical OR operator. So here 0, A is equal to 20, B is equal to 15, C is equal to 16. Put the value of A. The value of A is 20 less than 50, or the value of A is 20 greater than 16. Here 20 less than 50. This is the false because 20 is not less than 50, it is a greater than 15. So this is the false. The next one is 20 greater than 16. Yes, it is a true. First one is false, second one is true. First one is false, second one is true. So the result is true. So the output of that is true. Output of this logical operator is true. Next one is logical NOT operator. Logical NOT operator, in the logical NOT only one condition are given. Only one condition are given. But in the logical OR, logical AND, there is two conditions. There is two conditions. This is logical OR and this is a logical AND. This is the two condition. What is the logical AND? That means it is compulsory for true value. It is a compulsory for both input are true. But logical OR, for the false value, it is compulsory to both are false. And the next logical NOT, it is opposite to the OR and OR. It take only one condition and it give the reverse value. Reverse value, that means the result is true. Sorry, the condition is true, result is false. Here, first one is the condition is false, so the result is true, because it is give the reverse value or opposite value or negative value. If you are negative, that means if you are saying yes, that logical NOT say no. If you are saying no, that logical NOT say yes. So that is the, if you are saying false, it is give the result true. If you are saying true, it give the result false. This is the logical NOT operator. Let's see the question related to the logical NOT. Here A is equal to A is equal to 6, B is equal to 9. Here A equal to B. Put the value of A, that is 6 equal to 9. Is it true? What 6 is really equal to the 9? No, this is a false. This is a false. But in the front of this, there is a one NOT operator. NOT operator, that means there is a condition is false. The condition is false. It gives the true value. So the answer of this question is true. It gives the opposite value, because here is a NOT operator sign. This is the NOT operator sign. Here check this is the condition is false. The condition is false, so the result is true. Condition is false, the result is true. Let's check the next value. 6 greater than 9. 6 is really greater than 9? No, 6 is, hide this, firstly I am hiding this NOT sign. Firstly check the condition. 6 greater than 9? No, this is a false. But in this condition, there is a one NOT sign, that is negation sign. So that means the condition is false, the result is true. So the answer of this question is true. because in the front of this question here is a one not sign. Not sign, that means it gives the opposite value or negative value. That means the result is false. So that means condition is false. The result is true. It gives the true value. So answer of this with these two question is true and true. This is the last of the logical not operator and the different type of logical operator. In this video discuss about the and operator, not operator and nor operator or operator. This is the last part of unit 4th chapter. In the previous video I am discussing all the types of operator, and this is the unit 4 video operator in Java. This is the last part. In the first, second, third, fourth there is total 7 to 8 video uploaded related to the unit 4. In the previous video discuss about the operator, arithmetic, relational, unary, binary or ternary. In this video I am only discussing the logical operator. To watch my all the video, please subscribe my channel, and this is the last type of logical. So I hope to understand all the type of operator and the question related to the operator. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel.